big sister for you here in the diaspora. Everyone that is in diaspora, just know you have a big sister that is always watching over what you're doing, how you're doing, are you growing. Here we are in Jex Institute, where we do train specialty baristas and roasters. It's now our third year that we are ending this 30th of October, and we're starting a new year, which is the fourth year, on the 1st of November. So we have very good news for you. Every one of you as an expatriate here in the UAE. We started training specialty baristas. It was one course registered under Means of Education. Then we enrolled another course, the Roasters course. It's also ongoing. Professional Roasters course, where you're also gaining a diploma certificate from Ministry of Education. Presently, we are enrolling Pastry. Oh my goodness, the institute is growing at a rapid kind of speed, and it's all because, there's hunger. There's hunger for expatriates catching better jobs. Wherever you are as an expatriate, regardless your nationality, your color, your sex, your education level, lovely, whether you're male or female, black or white, educated or no, just know there's an institute here for you in Al Baraha where you can improve yourself from, get skills in your hands, and with those skills you will be able to catch a better job. So our fourth year is beginning in big speed and very great energies, because we are already in a space that is enough. It's enlarged, and leave that alone. Machines have been improved in number, materials have been improved in quantity. The trainers are here in good numbers. Lovely. Ministry of Education is already renewed our license for the fourth year. What else can I tell you? SCA as a body, yes, that is managing the coffee business worldwide and in the UAE, is also behind us, supporting us, because they've all seen the work we are doing in the expatriate community. Please come and improve yourself. It's Jex Institute for you.